The one who can sit alone in peace becomes unstoppable. If loneliness surrounds you right now, this message is for you. Close your eyes and just feel. Most people are scared of being alone, so the mind keeps searching for connection, attention, noise, anything to avoid silence. We chase relationships. We stay surrounded by people. We keep ourselves busy. But somewhere along the way, we lose touch with who we really are. And eventually, you reach a strange place. You're around people all the time, yet still feel deeply alone. You smile, you talk, you function normally. But inside, something feels empty. You need to understand something. Being alone is not the same as being lonely. Loneliness feels like emptiness, like something missing inside you, like silence that hurts. But solitude is strength, freedom, a mirror. When you learn to be alone, you step away from the noise, the pressure, the pretending, and slowly you reconnect with the version of yourself that has been asleep for a long time. You must learn how to be alone, because relationships will come and go. People will enter your life and leave it. But you will live with yourself forever. One of the biggest mistakes people make after losing themselves is searching desperately for validation from others, waiting for attention, waiting for texts, waiting for someone to finally make them feel worthy. But pause for a second. The thing you're searching for outside yourself might actually be missing inside yourself. No perfect relationship is coming to rescue you. No person can permanently heal the pain you haven't faced within yourself. At some point, you have to become emotionally present for your own life. And when your mind says, "Nobody cares about me," learn to answer, "I care," and "I'm still here." If your room feels silent tonight, don't call it sadness. Call it a sanctuary. Turn off the noise, the television, the phone, the endless distractions, and just sit there, quietly. At first, it may feel uncomfortable. Your mind may become restless. Old memories may come knocking at the door, but you do not have to open it. Just observe. Just breathe. There's something powerful hidden inside silence. When you stop drowning yourself in noise, you begin to understand yourself more clearly. The weight of the past softens. The fear of tomorrow becomes lighter. And little by little, you discover what peace actually feels like. Maybe the old version of you has broken down, but that doesn't mean your life is over. Sometimes it means transformation is beginning. Just like rebuilding a home, you keep the foundation and replace what no longer belongs there. And this quiet season of your life, it may be the rebuilding phase. Ask yourself, who do I want to become? What habits are making me weaker? What thoughts keep draining my peace? Write those answers down. Look at them often, because change starts when you become honest with yourself. Being alone is not about escaping life. It's about finally spending time with yourself, learning who you truly are. Think of it as a quiet conversation with your own soul. The light inside you, that's your responsibility to awaken. No one else can do it for you. When you start changing your life from the inside, some people won't get it. They may question your quietness, your distance, your need for space. But not every season of life needs an audience. You don't owe everyone an explanation for your healing process. Learn to say no. Protect your energy. Stay focused on rebuilding yourself. The people who truly love you will eventually understand why you disappeared for a while. If you want to become emotionally stronger while spending time alone, start with small daily habits. Nothing extreme. Just gentle routines that reconnect you with yourself. In the morning, Don't check your phone right after waking up. Sit quietly for a few minutes and breathe. Let your mind wake up slowly. At night, write down 3 things you appreciated during the day. Even tiny moments matter. During the day, take a quiet walk alone. No music, no scrolling, just notice the world around you. These simple habits may seem small, but over time, they change the way your mind feels. The real reason people fear being alone isn't silence, it's the fear of abandonment. There's a younger part inside many of us that worries, what if nobody stays? But the truth is, if you don't feel connected to yourself, no relationship will ever feel fully secure. And when you can't feel peace alone, relationships often turn into dependency instead of love. So spend some time with yourself. Learn your own mind. Learn your own heart. Because once you truly reconnect with yourself, being alone no longer feels empty. It starts to feel full. Think about a bonsai tree. It grows in a small space, often alone. But that solitude doesn't destroy it. It shapes it into something beautiful. Your life may feel small or quiet right now, but that doesn't mean you've stopped growing. The emptiness around you isn't always punishment. Sometimes it's the space where you finally become yourself. The most important relationship in your life is the one you have with yourself. Protect it. Nurture it. Don't walk away from it.